Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a fridge clean out as motivation. Whether you join me today just to enjoy the video or you would like to clean your refrigerator out with me, I hope you join me. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. I just used some vinegar in my spray bottle here to wipe down my shelves since it is safe to use around food. I also used my Ecloth just to wipe it down before I went in with the spray and a different microfiber cloth, and this cleaned up really well.
My mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
If you're back here, if you're a returning viewer, I want to thank you so much. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate it. If you're new and if you have not considered doing so yet, I would really appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It just helps out my channel. If you could give it a thumbs up if you like this video, share it, leave a comment for me. All of those things help my channel, and I appreciate all of you being here and watching and taking your time out of your busy schedules to watch my videos.
Lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details.
Now I do want to mention this is a real, everyday, real life cleaning of my refrigerator. It is not going to look picture perfect at the end. It is not going to be Pinterest worthy. I am going to be refilling it with everything that we do use on a daily basis. And my refrigerator was full, and I didn't end up having to throw away too much, so it is going to be full at the end as well, but it will be cleaner. All the shelves will be wiped down and will be clear and clean, so it will look overall better, but it will not look like it does on Pinterest.
Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up. Don't wake up. steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you.
I'll just stop talking now. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video and listen to the music. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Once again, if you would consider subscribing, that would really help me out. Leave a comment, ask me any questions, hit that like button if you did enjoy watching this video today. And thank you so much. I will see you next time. Take care.